Next up, we'll demonstrate how to file your side edges and give you some key reminders.
Fastening the file to the guide is simple. Slide the file in with this arrow facing you until it touches the screw, and adjust the clamp to a comfortable place for your thumb to rest. Tighten the thumb screw, then place your forefinger on the trigger and your thumb on the clamp. It's really important you start with the bevel right around the curve of the tip or tail. Now with a firm grip, 8 or 9 out of 10, take even overlapping passes with light downward pressure, ensuring your guide is running absolutely flat on the base of your ski. It's normal to have some resistance initially, especially due to the hardness of the newly machined edges. But after a few passes, you'll cut through the machining marks and filing will be easy. Remember to stop when needed to brush away the filings on the ski, as well as the file on your guide, and if necessary, use your file brush to clean out the teeth following its groove pattern. Continue filing to remove all grinding marks until the tone and color of the edges is identical across the width of the edge. This is your visual confirmation that you've set an accurate bevel.